Introduction to TP-Link's Tapo C615F kit. When it comes to outdoor security, few products offer the perfect blend of smart functionality, reliability, and flexibility, like TP-Link's Tapo C615F kit, Smart Floodlight Camera. As part of TP-Link's growing Tapo smart home ecosystem, this new flagship device combines powerful illumination, advanced AI-powered detection, and wire-free convenience, all without the burden of monthly subscription fees. Its intuitive design and comprehensive feature set make it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking reliable security without complicated setup or ongoing costs. Product overview and pricing. If you're considering upgrading your home's outdoor protection, here's a detailed breakdown of everything you need to know before you buy. All-in-one floodlight and smart camera. The Tapo C615F kit is designed to be an all-in-one solution for outdoor security and lighting. It features an 800-lumen floodlight that automatically illuminates when motion is detected, keeping driveways, patios, and backyards well lit without disturbing neighbors. The floodlight's brightness level can be customized, making it perfect for creating the right balance between safety and subtlety. Unlike traditional motion lights that only react, the C615F adds intelligence to illumination, letting you manually turn on lights through the Tapo app or automate them to activate based on movement. Smart lighting with customization. Smart lighting with customization TP-Link gives homeowners full control over how their space is lit. The Tapo C615 adjustable floodlight allows you to tilt and angle the light beam precisely where it's needed, whether that's a dark pathway, a garage entrance, or a side yard. You can fine-tune brightness levels, set schedules, and even link lighting behaviors with other Tapo smart devices. For instance, you can set the floodlight to activate when your Tapo door sensor opens at night or to dim after midnight automatically.
Go to GearBrain for more information.